Watch this video to turn on and use eye tracking on your iPhone running with latest iOS 18. Eye tracking is a feature designed for users with physical disabilities in iOS 18 that allows users to navigate their iPhone and iPad with their eyes. To set up eye tracking, user must have its device front camera workable. Then users can follow my complete tutorial. Eye tracking works across iPadOS and iOS apps and doesn't require additional hardware or accessories. So let's begin. First, I open the Settings app. Now I scroll the screen to Accessibility. Over here, look at Physical and Motor section and scroll to Eye tracking. If this option not showing, please make sure your phone is updated to iOS 18. Now click on Eye tracking. This screen shows all the eye tracking settings and allows you to manage everything related to eye tracking. Before turning on eye tracking, here's a little bit of instruction on how to use it. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. Your iPhone should be on a stable surface about a foot away from your face. So now I turn the trigger to the right side to enable eye tracking. White toggle means disable. Next, same screen will appear on your iPhone. So follow the dots that appear on the screen with your eyes until you see a white check mark. Finally, you can see a voiceover-style highlight box appear on the item that you move your eye on. Users can use eye tracking to navigate through app elements and activate each with dwell control, using eye movements for physical buttons, swipes, and other gestures. Ladies and gentlemen, you can adjust eye pointer speed by the left and right sides. Over here, settling for eye tracking like Manage Snap to IREM, then Zoom on keyboard's keys means you automatically move the pointer to nearby items. In more, auto hide toggle and dwell control switch. So friends, this is about eye tracking. I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching.